Manipur subscribers being with annual GPF statements online ngaran mihair. All Manipur VDF Employees Welfare Association na strike sagi da khalei Ukhrul District we Association nala kagadom pongshokhair. Ringyaophi Tangkhul Express Pvt Ringyaophi Ningshen ina pamitali Paubing may saina nang roomsa. Financial Cum 2024-25 for Annual General Provident Fund GPF Statements Manipur we GPF subscribers saikorali wuivang online li sangmi hairagaji Manipur Principal Accountant General eina chishat haira. Subscribers being Nathum we annual statement G Comptroller and Auditor General CAG of India way online GPF information system or GPIS ina yanglaga download sabairaji. Service G agmpr.cag.government.in sampangra initiative state GPF account holders being the financial records some kapang by me kangasa kala therme jithe khwai kasana hang. Kalahina Shorkar Office Likhwa Lyric Kakui we atam kazang kachot kuitui mihaura. Maram hili Assistant Dagar Kasaji Principal Accountant General A&E Manipurli Nghan Khawai Hang. All Manipur VDF Employees Welfare Association na gun down and bend down strike sagi da khalei Ukhrul District Village Defense Force VDF Welfare Association na lagagodom pongshokhaira. Shorgarli khangakaw mga nasang kami wuivang na da VDF mibing jina strike kasa pay kajang tarik akhawi na hapok lushitra dali. IT pao tishuda Ukhrul District VDF Welfare Association na press janpao mikashokli Association jina Central Committee wuidagli kagadom pongshoka. Atam na boda khalei Shorkar na aji kajang hiwi tarik tumrata khay na tangda otsak ina masamiya strike kasa jili Ukhrul District VDF Welfare Association la jangra da ngabaw haira. Shorkar na atumui kapo yangsang mira da kapit ina mida atum na strike sa kasa ji karam tarik trada shini thagay na ngasam haira kasana. Ka official pekar la notification masyok mituwa. Association jinagaboli Police Act 1861 Section 18 Zatna Kangasak Be Matai Kami Kala VDF Service Regularized Sa Kami Hiping Hizanga. Maram hi yang sang mida kankana law enforcement oting rudely shaykakut mushakusa kawai Central Committee Jina State Shorkarling Kawaira. Indian Tetherli Mingaula Kahai Badma Shri Radant TM Zingum Hang Shini da Shinili Mawan Sahira. TM Kasangka Kazalaka Ayang Ator Pung Aka Makai Shikali Regional Institute of Medical Science Streams in Fali Tisang. India with theater director, playwrights, poets Ngachaili Ming Kamayanga Radant TM na contemporary Indian theaters Semgakali Kamataya Shiruk Kui Kamili Ligisi Notada Zathaira. Our theater group chorus repertory theater na India we cultural ambassador ngasada USA, France, Japan kala European ngale ngadatay dali perform sa hay dali. Radan tiyam hi 1948 Tharau tarik magathang Napuip West Bengal li parasang naga Imphal we Haubom Diwan Lane li Oktrikaya. Ana them sagli mirin atam chikatmi kahai wuivang Manipur Shorkar na lamachut mida ajigom Lifetime Achievement Award mihaira. Artists, writers, public figures sangda TM Mawansa kahai kakhanang yauri chorus, repertory theater, shrines, Samushang Imphal Westli farewell Vaming Roka. Chile former Chief Minister Okram Ibopi Singh, filmmaker Aripam Shyam Sharma, ex-MLA Dr. Loken kala state we cultural community mi pingla zanga. India we pamuda tay we ina condolence ming rokhaira. Radan Tiyam Mawansa Kahili, Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Palanela, Kakhanang Pongshok the condolence me. Bihar with other Tripura Willa, electoral roll special revisions Semikavai, Triba Motana ICI Pohaira. Triba Mota Chief Bradyot Kishore Debarmana Kahang, Bihar with other Tripura Lila special intensive revisions Sarakachi Election Commissions of India ICI Natumi Haira, Chief Election Commissioner Ganesh Kumarli New Delhi li Sampanga Haitili Debarmana Paumeli Kahang ICI na Ngana Sangmida SIRG nationally implement Saragachi Hanghaira. Triba Motawi Miping Ministers MLA Ping Zang Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council TTAA-DC Chief Executive Member Ping Zangda Maram Wuivang ICI li Memorandum Misanga. Undocumented immigrants being state jiwi electoral rolls li Zangdalai Kalachina indigenous community being with political machun kala majudli Sazadalai Kachihanga. Palna schemes azingli anwati kam graduates thing tradamati lang the approve Sahira Kuchi Ministry of Women and Child Development na hanghaira. Palna schemes G states Aina Union Territories being 2022 Kaying Kachang Aina Zatna Poka Haina. Kalachi National Bingli Nga Kami La Daycare Facilities Kamina Dahanga. Shinausan Shim Makanda Ot Kasa Jungsang Mamanda Atumui Otli Kahab Malenga Sakla Now Young Sang Mikavai Daycare Service Crèche Quick Kamina Dahanga. Balna schemes Chi National Kachang Turuk Aina Tuida Zingkum Turuk Aina Tangda Wuivang Crèche facilities Chi employment status Makhaila Ava saikorali Kaminachi. Balna schemes azingli 15th financial cycle FY 2025-26 in Tangda and 1D Kamd Crèche AWCCS Tingtrada Shini Haikvai Ningrin Laya. Aji rashungda AWCCS Tingtrada Mati Shapanga Hang Chiko the Chiko Ministry in approve Saira the Hang. Kalaji states or union territories in a proposal some Kapangati Shurda Maya Kamina the Hang. Pauhi Ministry of State for Women and Child Development Savitri Thagurna Rajya Sabha questioned Ngahangakan. Allahabad High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Vermawi plea Nakavai Supreme Court na bench Semra Jahair. Shimli Lupa Sorkangasai Haigasa Ochot Maramli Justice Yashwantli Ningmong Gabai Layada in-house inquiry panel na report committee Mashit Ngasak Vai plea Kasana. Itum Natay by Justice Yashwant Verma with office residence Delhi li Mayo Directorate Mati Ngaya May Jishokta Vayang Kasangli Lupa Shapanga currency not traka Legasa take a queen. Notes J Kahai Tripokhaira Kasana Lupa J Atan in a storeroom li Haigasana official na take a queen Taka Lupa J fit aka Tanngkl Shikagada Legasana. Kaja Horza Kahai machine Mataila crore between the hanger. Justice Yashwant Lupaji Ishiwui Maning Mana Kajiana Rakata Kala Matai Manata Ngarar Hawa. Ngaya Silung Police Kala Fire Service Wimina take a kui Lupachia Kaji Matorshong investigators na Wakyang Malay Satua. Supreme Court na Kapangasang Banal na prop Haupokta CCTV footage yang abamji examine vasa mi hang pangalangda with testimonies kwe kahaitili report chi kamina. Saikoru yang laka Justice Yashwant Tuitungli impeachment removal warrant sayada panel jin hangda recommendations ji karam jishatang ex CGI kanan president in a PM li kamina. Ochot Juwina Justice Verma li Allahabad High Court li Kaying Direct Pangatang transfer sahawa. Panel Jina Pakashok Atishurda impeachment proceedings Haupokavai Supreme Court na recommend Kasajila Mats Nangsakavai Justice Verma na Bodale. Jagdeep Dhangkar na otpam jihok highway tili India we Vice President ngapam wuivang Election Sakavai Elections Commissions of India ECI na kangaran haupokaira. Dhangkar we resignations to Ministry of Home Affairs na Gazette notificated dated Marang 22/2025 li officially notified sahir. Article 324 Constitutions atishurta ECI na Vice Presidential Elections ngaran ki kachina. ECI na pre-elections activities hapokta Electoral College kagazip. Returning officers ay na assistant returning officers finalize kasa. Reader with Vice Presidential Elections being with detailed background materials kangaran higatahi sapokairaji. Dargar kasa saikorana hitharan official elections atam ji masangla jishathaurada commission jinhang. Ukhrul District Headquarters li rungmiki kachi legal awareness program li Rajang Khawai Village Authority minin bingli Manipur State Legal Service Authority MASLSA ngahotale. Legal awareness to the right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitations and resettlement Act 2013 wimaramli hangjiteira. Ang ranangi hi Tanngkl naka awungalong TNAL ling shikta makok kamina. Legal awareness program jikajang hiwi tarik magada turuk tang apam Jubilee Hall UBC apam ngator pung trada akhain haupokta ngashun pung kanina tangra. Ang ranangi chili Manipur High Court Chief Justice MASLSA wi Patron-in-Chief Justice K Somashekhar na masawa sada zangra. MASLSA Executive Chairman Manipur High Court with Judge Justice A.P. Molsing, HCLSC Chairman Manipur High Court Judge Justice A. Ganeshwar Sharma TNL President Swart Vashum Atum Khayawa Sada Vazangra. Legal Awareness Program Chili Zangkhavai Kakachivu Eina Village Headman Linga Soda VA Mikani Rami Kavai Ngahotele. Wuivang Ku Abavuli Tie Lupa Ting Kamira Ngator Pazat Ran Mira. Manipur subscribers being with annual GPF statements online Ngaran Mihaira. All Manipur VDF Employees Welfare Association na strike sagi da khalei Ukhrul District we Association nala kagadon pongshokaira. Achi we pau hiling jang haira pau na taklin tum saikorali Ringyaophi kala kamhai simishong saserno.